Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about how to make pizza. So first we're going to go over the ingredients. So you're going to need some bread flour, salt, yeast, vegetable oil or extra virgin olive oil, an egg, some sauce, warm water, cheese, sugar, a pizza stone. So to get those 3 thin pizzas or 2 fat pizzas, I usually fill up this twice. So it's 2.5 cups. So if you fill it up twice, it's 5 cups. And then I'll fill this up to about 420 milliliters. Easy number to remember. So we put a little sugar and yeast in some warm water here, and you can stir that and let it sit for a little bit. And we have an egg, some flour. I recommend trying a couple different kinds of flour, but definitely using bread flour or something like that. If you use all-purpose flour, you're going to have something like a hockey puck. And then we put a little bit of salt and oil in here. And so we'll throw that stuff in. And we're going to get that into the machine here. So if you don't have a mixer, you can just mix this in a bowl with a spoon, and then afterwards you would knead the dough, which is kind of like going back and forth like this, where you kind of mix it, then you'll put it into a ball, and you can put it back into a bowl, then you'll put a towel on top, and keep that in a warm place for a few hours. So we take this off, and we can see it's more than twice doubled. So after you beat it down, you could cut them up or break them in half or in thirds, depending on how much dough you want. I usually weigh these out. For instance, something like this. If I want a thin crust, I'll do like 300 grams. If I want a thick crust, maybe 450 grams. So now you could use this dough right now to make a pizza, but I usually put that in the container. And you can take it out the next day or a few days later and you still have some nice dough to work with. So let's get on the pizza. So after you roll out the dough and everything, you can either put it on a pan, or if you're going to use a pizza stone, you're going to have to use a pizza peel. So you got to remember to put some cornmeal that's ground up all on that pizza peel. Otherwise it'll stick to the wood. Then you can take your dough and place it on top of your pizza peel here. Spread it out a bit. And then you're ready to start putting on your toppings. So I just threw the pizza on there. I think it will be done in about 10 minutes. I already preheated that stone for about 24 minutes. I want that stone to be super hot, so when you throw the pizza on there, it cooks super fast. If you don't use a stone and you use a pan, it's okay, but the pizza cooks from the outside. It kind of works its way to the middle, so the middle is like not soggy, but not quite as done. So the stone makes sure everything is evenly heated and crispy, which is why I think it's better to use a stone than use a pan for pizzas in general. So then if you want, you can put on a little extra like Parmesan sauce or something like that, or whatever topping, some Tabasco or whatever, and you're ready to go. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you like your pizza more. Like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.